My wife took over my smoker.
Hi, it's true. I did take over as smoker. I'm Debbie. Why don't you come along with me and we'll smoke a turkey breast today? Start the smoker. Let's pray to God I don't blow it up. Turn it on to the smoke position. Hold the button in. And we're up. Okay guys, it's up to temp. I want to go ahead and put it on. I brine this overnight with some water and some brown sugar and stuff, and I just put on my house rub that I made up. Let's stick this bad boy on here and put the probe in. I'm going to take and cook this for 3 hours, basting it every hour with melted butter. Now that it's on, I'm going to sit back and enjoy a cold one. Wait for an hour, come back out, and voila, baste, get it done.
Hello guys, if you're new to our channel, my name is Andy and this is my wife Deb, and obviously she took over my smoker today. So that said, I'm going to play cameraman and hand the reins over to her.
Okay everybody, now it's time to look at this a little bit and to baste it with some butter. Baste it every hour with a little bit of butter, and that should help keep it moist on the inside. And I think I forgot to mention that I'm cooking this at 225 degrees, and it's going to cook for 3 hours until the temperature on the inside is at 165.
Looking good there.
Thank you.
Making me hungry.
There we go. And that is done. It's a little taller than I am.
I think a lot of things are taller than you.
Oh, shut up. Okay, everybody, here comes the second basting. Let's see how this bad boy looks. Yum.
Looking good.
Now I got a special treat for Andy tonight, and he doesn't know about this until just now. I'm going to be making some smoked asparagus. Put a little bit of butter on it. Throw it on here. Let's make some room for this. Since I'm not using this anymore, I'm just going to dump this bad boy over the asparagus, some nice melted butter, and put it on the smoker. Now that's going to be a feast. See you in about an hour. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's the big reveal. Let's see how this goes. Yum. It's up to temp. It's time to take it off and wrap it. got that without even dropping it.
Now you want to wrap it up for what, about 10 minutes and let it rest?
Yes. And I'm going to pull the asparagus off, so. Pull the asparagus off, shut this bad boy down, go in and try to enjoy some dinner in about 15 minutes. Everybody, you ready to cut this bad boy open and see how it looks? Oh, cuts like butter. Look at that. Nice and juicy. I'm gonna have to give this a try. Andy's not getting any of this one. I will see you next time and see what I can just cook up for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like it and leave any comments. Thank you.